Hello guys, I am Arvind and welcome to this session. And in this session, we are going to discuss break statement in switch case. So let's get started. Guys, in the previous video, when we were running this program and entered 1 as a choice, then this program was printing the statements from the case 1, case 2, case 3 and default. Now guys, we are going to solve this problem with the help of break statement. So guys, let's go ahead and we'll discuss the break statement. Guys, when we use the break statement in a switch case, it takes the control outside the switch. And the break statement in switch case is optional. When a break statement is encountered, the switch terminates and the flow of control jumps to the next line following the switch statement. Moving forward guys, if there is no break statement found in the case, all the cases will be executed after the matched case, and it is known as fall through the state of C switch statement. Now guys, I am going to use break statement in this switch case. So let's do this, and I will put break statement in each case. And there is no need to put break after the default case. So guys, now if I run this program and enter 1, then it is printing the statement from case 1. Now guys, if I run this program again and enter choice 2, then it is printing the statement from the case 2 only. So guys, I hope it is clear to you, and thank you so much guys for watching this video. Just in case you liked it, do not forget to like and subscribe. I will see you then in the next video.